Hey everyone, just got your new Hotlink SIM in Malaysia and not sure how to activate it? Don't worry. Now, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to activate your Hotlink Maxis SIM card easily. Whether you're a local or just arrived from abroad, you can activate it using your MyKad, IC, or passport. It's quick and simple. Let's get started. Step 1. First, download the Hotlink app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. This app is essential for activating and managing your SIM card. Just search for Hotlink and install it on your device. Step 2. Open the Hotlink app and select Activate SIM. Then selected one SIM type, physical SIM or eSIM. Now scan the barcode on your SIM card or enter the SIM serial number manually. This helps Maxis recognize your SIM and begin the activation process. Verify your identity. We need to verify you for security purpose. Select your ID type, Malaysia resident MyKad or non-resident, passport, then tap continue. Step 3. Now verify your identity. You'll need to take a clear photo of your MyKad, IC, or passport and also take a selfie for facial verification. This is required by Malaysian law to complete the SIM registration process. Add personal details and address here. Then tap on Continue. Then Submit. Your activation request successful. .nu will receive an activation SMS from us approximately 2 or 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.